Russian drone operators engaged directly with Ukrainian armed forces soldiers. In the footage, despite the presence of cover, the drone operators skillfully maneuvered to hit their targets. Ukrainian soldiers hiding inside a building were effectively engaged by the Russian drones. A Ukrainian serviceman exited a pickup truck and tried to stop an approaching Russian FPV drone but failed to neutralize it. The drone operator then decided to strike the vehicle. Russian FPV drone units are shown conducting a coordinated operation against multiple Ukrainian soldiers, highlighting the role of unmanned systems in frontline engagements. The footage captures how operators identify movement and maintain continuous tracking using real-time aerial feeds. As the situation develops, the drone adjusts its path with precision, following changes in direction and terrain while keeping the targets in view. Multiple operators appear to work in sequence, ensuring sustained coverage and a consistent operational presence. This coordination allows for timely responses and controlled engagements, even as conditions shift on the ground. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and support the channel with a like and subscription. FPV drone units are shown engaging a Ukrainian Tu-22 Bodana near Tarasovka, resulting in the system being rendered inoperable during the operation. The Zapad group of forces, with a crew from the 25th Combined Arms Army operating the TOS-1A Solntsepyok, is shown engaging a temporary deployment area, rendering the position inoperable during the operation. Footage emerged showing the dramatic destruction of a Ukrainian M8A infantry fighting vehicle. The vehicle was struck by a guided artillery shell fired from a D-20 howitzer in the Konstantinovka direction, resulting in total destruction. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. Russian air defense units are shown engaging ground-based targets, highlighting their use in a multi-role capacity beyond traditional aerial threat interception. Russian armed forces set ablaze dozens of Ukrainian armed forces vehicles carrying ammunition that were trying to advance toward Kupiansk. In addition, numerous other armored vehicles were destroyed in coordinated drone strikes, causing widespread losses among Ukrainian forces. From a Russian perspective, a Ukrainian Caesar self-propelled howitzer is identified and targeted by FPV drones during an ongoing engagement. The footage shows the artillery system being struck and then attempting to withdraw from the area. Despite the initial impact, the vehicle remains mobile and continues moving, highlighting the resilience of the platform under pressure. However, as it attempts to reposition, it is engaged again by another drone, further reducing its operational capability. Eventually, the system is abandoned by its crew, after which a third drone is used to carry out a follow-up strike. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone from the antagonist group, positioned in ambush, detected a lone Ukrainian armed forces soldier, unarmed and unaware. The drone tracked him patiently for a notable period of time. Then the operator made a decision and let him go, a rare and deeply human moment on one of the most unforgiving battlefields of the modern era. November 15, 2025, Russian UAV operators detected the movement of a group of Ukrainian soldiers who, apparently, intended to use a building as a temporary shelter. Meanwhile, the Russian Air Force carried out strikes on Ukrainian positions in the Myrnograd area, employing large-caliber precision-guided aerial munitions equipped with UMPK kits. A Center Group Fiber Optics FPV drone closed in on a Ukrainian Armed Forces service member located inside his fortified position. The drone moved in with precision and intent, directly targeting the service member within the confined space, but the device did not detonate. What followed was a moment of sudden and frantic urgency. The targeted service member, now fully aware of the threat, scrambled to escape, and in the chaos, a second comrade, who had been sleeping nearby, completely unaware, was jolted awake and forced to flee alongside him. A tense and dramatic sequence, captured in full by the Center Group drone operator on the modern battlefield. Targeting Ukrainian infantry moving on quad bikes, Russian forces are using strike-capable fiber-optic drones. Regardless of speed, no vehicle can escape the Pofedron drone. In the Zaporizhzhia region, drone operators from Russia's 218th Guards Tank Regiment of the 127th Motor Rifle Division, working alongside the elite 14th Guards Special Forces Brigade of Grouping East, delivered a devastating blow to Ukrainian forces attempting to maneuver through contested territory. Utilizing FPV drones with surgical precision, the operators targeted multiple vehicles transporting personnel, striking them while in transit with lethal accuracy. The footage shows direct hits on moving targets, with explosions halting convoys and scattering personnel. This coordinated operation not only inflicted significant losses but also served as a stark warning to any units attempting to traverse exposed routes under Russian aerial surveillance. Fighters of the Center Army Group continue their relentless and sustained campaign of active combat operations across multiple critical directions. In the area of Krasnoarmysk, known as Pokrovsk, Center Army Group forces are systematically engaging and destroying Ukrainian armed forces infantry and armored equipment with precision and overwhelming force. In the Myrnograd direction, also known as Dmitrov, the pressure continues to mount as Center Army Group fighters maintain their aggressive operational tempo, targeting and neutralizing
Ennemi personnel concentration
and vehicular assets across the contested terrain and extending into the Dnipropetrovsk region. Center Army Group combat operations continue to expand in scope and intensity, delivering strike after strike against Ukrainian armed forces positions, infrastructure, and equipment across this strategically significant stretch of the active conflict zone. From infantry engagements to armored vehicle strikes, from drone operations to artillery fire missions, the Center Army Group remains fully committed, fully active, and fully focused on the systematic degradation of Ukrainian armed forces capability across every direction under their operational responsibility. The momentum, firmly and decisively, in the hands of Center Army Group fighters as they press forward with discipline, resolve, and unwavering operational effectiveness on the battlefields of eastern Ukraine.